Hey, Caesar, my man, how you doing? Yeah, look, I've been traveling for the past 17 hours. I just got into town. Look, I'm gonna make the payment today. I'm on my way to the bank. There's just been crazy traffic. I'm in traffic right now. It's crazy. This is the mother of all traffic. I have never seen anything like it. But you know Lagos. Yeah, sure. The board of directors is on board, the government is on board, everything is good to go. This is the sweetest deal you guys have ever made. I promise you, you have nothing to worry about. It's just $10 million, man. It's not a big deal. I will sort everything out today. Yeah, sure. You have my word. Huh? Yeah. Hey, okay then. Talk to you later. Hey, Brenda, baby. What's up? Where do you always get this wrong information from? I am not in town. I'm still in Sao Paulo. Why you always... It's because I am roaming. Just chill, relax. I have paid for the goods. The goods are on there. I'm tracking it. See, I'm right in front of my computer right now. I'm in the hotel room and I'm tracking your payments. Look, you know you can trust me. You know we go way beyond all this business now. You know now. Remember how I feel about you. Once I get back into town, you know, you get your goods. No. Don't call me. I'll call you. Yeah. Rubbish. Polo, I did bank. No. I did pay the money inside now. No, I did bank. I did in front of cashier. I won't pay the money. Guy, how you gonna ask me whether I sure say I did bank? On top 75k, call center salary. Oh boy, no make a vex for you. I go pay the money. I did in front of cashier. I won't pay the money. You go receive your alert. Nah. I go pay him now. Polo. I can explain.
Sheegin, bank with this.
See, I did booker. After booker, I go bank, go pay the money.
They claim say you dey smart, Abi. Now what they tell me say you be, and you be so.